If you notice that your garden plants are suddenly struggling overnight and the leaves become sticky, curled, or completely eaten, you're not alone. Most people immediately reach for strong chemicals in situations like this, but that is often not the best solution. Today, I will show you a simple homemade mixture that I have used for years. It helps against many pests, from tiny aphids and mites all the way to caterpillars, while still being natural and easy to prepare. But be careful. Many people make a few mistakes and their plants end up suffering even more, so make sure to watch until the end because I will show you what you need to avoid. Everything starts with cloves that I will grind in a grinder. I will use 1 teaspoon, but you can use a little more if you want. Most people use cloves only as a kitchen spice, but in gardening, they are known for their very strong smell that many pests dislike. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound with an intense scent that often makes insects avoid the plant. It is very important to grind them fresh right before preparation. Store-bought clove powder often sits on shelves too long and loses some of the essential oils that we need. That strong smell spreading right now is exactly why many gardeners use cloves against pests. Pour the powder into half a liter of hot water. You will notice that the water almost immediately changes into a dark brown color. That is a sign that the active compounds are slowly being released into the water. While the mixture slowly combines, we add the second important ingredient, garlic powder. You will need 1 full teaspoon. Garlic contains allicin and compounds that many pests simply do not like. It can help drive away insects already sitting on the plant, while its smell also helps repel new pests from coming. Stir everything well until it fully combines into this dark liquid. Many people make a big mistake here. They spray plants with this liquid and then wonder why nothing happens. That is because they forgot one very important addition. We need to add a little organic soap into the mixture, just a few drops. The soap helps the solution stay on the plant leaves instead of immediately sliding off onto the ground. This allows the mixture to remain on the leaf surface much longer, where it can work against pests. Only now is your homemade plant protection ready to use. Before spraying, make sure to let the solution cool completely to room temperature. Never spray plants with hot liquid because you can damage them. Strain the cooled solution through a thick cloth or gauze so tiny clove particles do not clog your sprayer. When you go into the garden, be thorough. Do not spray only the top side of the leaves. Make sure to turn the leaves over and spray underneath because that is where pests usually hide and lay their eggs. The biggest mistake many people make is spraying plants during the hottest part of the day because that can burn the leaves. It is best to spray plants early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is no longer strong. For more practical gardening tips like this, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.